Hello, I'm Chris. For my COMP3008 project, I analyzed the Homestar application. This is a two-side marketplace that connects the homeowner with contractor. So on the screen right now is the contractor application. However, I choose the homeowner application for my research, and because I want to optimize the process of finding a contractor, I believe it's often a time-sensitive task. To guide my evaluation today, I developed a persona named Frustrated Frank. Frank is a homeowner dealing with a bursting kitchen pipe. He is stressed in a rush and needs to find a plumber immediately. His primary goal is efficiency, but as we will see, the current design will create a significant barrier for that. Let's get to it. On the screen right now, it's a search bar with an enter button, but usually the user will click in. As you see, there's an overlap screen that hide our enter button. Let's try to tap leaky. And as you see when we finish, so we didn't see the enter button, so this creates a massive gulf of execution. So when Frank tapped Licky Pipe, the enter screen got overlapped by other screen, and when we hit done by I keyword, nothing happened to. It's forcing us to choosing one of the tag below. Let's try to choose. Let's try to get out and get in. Hit enter again. As you see, it's not working too. So let's try to click on one of the tag. And as Frank get into this, once he's entered flow, he faces a 6-step wizard. Now, technically, this design correctly applied the logical constraint principle. It's forced the user steps by step to ensure the data is not missing. However, the user emergency is not very convenient. This feels restrictive and broad-bodied. It's forced Frank to answer many questions. Let's go through it. As you see, they asking a lot of questions. This requires us to use to loading our cognitive a lot. And now let's go to my redesigned. So we switch owner mode. So what different in my redesign? First, I implement a direct selection interface. So Frank simply see the plumbing icon and tap it. This rely on the recognition over the recall principle, removing the need to guess search term. Secondly, I replace the wizard with a single page form. While the original design constrained the user, my redesign prioritized the internal locus of control principle. Frank can now see the entire scope of the task upfront. He's free to fill essential like title, address, and the description he wants, and skip the optional step. This will putting him back in the private sheet, and he can control it. That's pretty much it. Tell me what is your thought. Thank you.